Hello guys! If you are looking for the best expensive Casio G-Shock watches for men based on price and specifications, you are in the right place. All the watches product buying links were given in the video description. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and press the bell icon button for my new videos notifications. Number 9. Casio G-Shock GM-B2100. Type: wristwatch. Reference number: GM-B2100D-1AJF. Movement: quartz. Dial color: black. Band color: silver. Band material: stainless steel. Display: analog and digital. Number 8. Casio G-Shock GWG-1000. Band material: resin. Dial color: black. Watch shape: round. Style: military. Case size: 59.5 by 56.1 by 18 millimeters. Features: water resistant, with manual, booklet, yes. Case material: resin. Display: analog and digital. Number 7. Casio G-Shock GWF-D1000 Frogman. Case color: black, blue, black. Water resistance: 200 meters, 20 ATM. Movement: quartz. Indices: 12-hour. Dial: 24-hour. Case back: screw case back. Type: wristwatch. Band color: black. Band material: carbon fiber. Lug width: 22 millimeters. Dial color: black. Watch shape: round. Case size: 59.2 millimeters. Number 6. Casio G-Shock MTG-B1000D. Water resistance: 200 meters, 20 ATM. Movement: quartz. Indices: 12-hour. Dial: 12-hour, 24-hour. Seconds hand: multiple hands. Band, strap, bracelet. Case color: silver. Type: wristwatch. Band color: red, silver, gray. Band material: stainless steel. Dial color: black. Watch shape: round. Style: diver, sport, luxury. Number 5. Casio G-Shock MTG-B1000 XBD. Item shape: round. Dial window material type: sapphire crystal. Display type: analog. Case material: resin, carbon. Case diameter: 5.2 centimeters. Case thickness: 14.4 millimeters. Band material: resin. Band color: black. Dial color: black. Item weight: 6.03 ounces. Movement: quartz. Number 4. Casio G-Shock Frogman GWF-A1000. The new GWF-A1000s are the first analog models for the Frogman series of Master of G. ISO 200-meter diver-level water-resistant watches. Maintaining the asymmetrical face design that has been the iconic look of this series since its start in 1993, these new models show home time, dual time, tide information, and dive time measurement in analog format. The carbon monologue structure of this model incorporates the case and back cover into a single unit. Display type: analog. Tang buckle clasp. Case material: resin. Case diameter: 5.3 centimeters. Case thickness: 19.7 millimeters. Band material: resin. Number 3. Casio G-Shock G-Squad Pro GSW-H1000. Water resistance: 200 meters, 20 ATM. Watch shape: round. Style: casual, sport. Case color: black. Complications: altimeter. Case material, resin. Movement, quartz. Band material, resin. Type, wristwatch. Features, 24-hour dial, 12-hour dial. Alarm, atomic, radio controlled. Backlight, Bluetooth. Chronograph. Date indicator. Number 2. CASIO G-Shock MRG-B2000B. Case, bezel material, titanium. Solid band, tight lock. 1 press, 3-fold clasp. Titanium band. Sapphire glass with non-reflective coating. Neo-Bright magnetic resistant. Shock resistant. Screw lock crown. Deep layer hardening plus DLC coating. 200-meter water resistance. Tough solar, solar powered. LED light, super illuminator. Frequency, 77.5 kHz. Station name, Anthorn, England. Frequency, 60 kHz. Station name, WWVB, Fort Collins, United States. Frequency, 60 kHz. Station name, JJY, Fukushima, Fukuoka, Saga, Japan. Number 1. CASIO G-Shock MR-G MRG-B2000 SH. Construction, shock resistant. Water resistance, 200 meters. Magnetic resistance, ISO 764 compliant magnetic resistance. Radio frequency, 77.5 kHz. DCF77, Germany. 60 kHz, MSF, UK. 60 kHz, WWVB, USA. 40 kHz, JJY, Fukushima, Japan. 60 kHz, JJY, Kyushu, Japan. 68.5 kHz, BPC, China. Radio wave reception. Automatic reception up to 6 times per day, except for use in China, up to 5 times per day.